Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Commission Junction payout profile in USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Commission Junction payout profile in the USA, begin by logging into your Commission Junction account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account tab located at the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Payment Settings. In the Payment Settings section, look for the Payout Profile option. Click on Payout Profile to access the necessary information. Here, you will see an overview of your current payout profile settings. If it is not authorized, locate the Authorize Payout button. Click on this button to initiate the authorization process. You will be prompted to fill in your payment details. These details typically include your bank account information and tax identification number. Make sure to enter all required information accurately to avoid delays. After filling in the necessary information, review it for correctness. Once confirmed, proceed by clicking the Submit button. You may need to verify your identity through a secondary verification method. Follow the prompts provided for identity verification if required. Once your identity is verified, you will receive a confirmation message. Your payout profile is now successfully authorized. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or updates on your payout status. For future reference, regularly check your payout profile to ensure all information remains correct. That concludes the authorization process for your Commission Junction payout profile in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.